Okay, I just did part 2 on harvesting the red wigglers. But now that I've got the system back set up and going, and the pile's harvesting the worms underneath here, they're all going to crawl to the surface. Most of them are out of there, but the remaining ones, then I can use the compost in many different ways. In the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and use it, make a compost tea. So I've got a handful of our hot compost from over here, a handful of the red wiggler compost we just harvested. You can see those here. Some molasses, and some painter's sacks from Lowe's, and one coarser one as well. And it doesn't matter, you can mix it all together and sieve it later. This is the way I choose to do it. The reason I sieve it is I use it in a backpack sprayer to spray things as well. So I'll spray that all over my garden beds, my compost teas. But anyways, that's the way I do it. So we'll show how we make that. About 2 tablespoons of molasses, a handful each of each kind of compost. Put in there with an air bubbler overnight, air stone overnight. And that'll get a good frothy head on top of that. We'll have a look later on.